In today's video, we will learn
how to install n8n with FFmpeg
on your local Windows machine and make hour-long AI videos
completely free of cost.
If you're new here, my name is Prashant. I spent over 15 years working in film and animation industry for studios like DreamWorks and MPC.
And now we've started NoCodeDad, a community where my dad teaches me how to use AI and automation to make real income and build some cool projects.
You can even hack to our Skool community right now and download the setup right away.
The link's in the description below.
Alright guys, let's get started. Today we are going to install latest n8n with FFmpeg on Windows using Docker.
Step 1.
Check the WSL2, which is Windows Subsystem for Linux. For doing that, you have to open PowerShell. Type WSL status and press enter. If it says default version 2, then you are good to go. If it won't, then you have to install WSL2 using this command WSL install.
Let's go to step 2.
Step 2 is download and install Docker.
What exactly is Docker?
So Docker is like a separate Linux machine inside your Windows itself. So for downloading Docker, just click on the below link. This will take you to the official website of Docker. From this button, choose Docker for Windows AMD 64 and save the Docker in your downloads directory. By the time the Docker is getting downloaded, let's go to step 3.
Yes, step 3 is make folder structure.
So to make folder structure, we are copying these 4 lines of code. Copy it and paste it in our PowerShell. Press enter. So the terminal will go to D directory and then it will create this directory called n8n docker local. And then the terminal will go inside this directory and then it will create these subfolders which we need for our n8n setup. So the first one is called n8n data. Second one is the assets. Third one is the output. And the fourth one is called temp. I will explain you in more details about these in the next video.
Let's go to step 4.
Create Dockerfile. For creating Dockerfile, we have to copy these 4 lines of code and use Sublime Text Editor. You can use Notepad also. Paste the code here. Once pasted, click on save and go to the D directory inside your n8n docker local folder. Select the file name, which is Dockerfile. Paste the file name here and save this file.
So what do these lines even do?
So the first line will download the latest FFmpeg. Second line will download the latest n8n and they will prepare them to install inside Docker setup.
Step 5. Create docker-compose.yml.
So this file is finally going to install n8n with FFmpeg using this image. Inside this container, using this port, we are also defining some environment variables here, which we are going to use in the next tutorial where we are going to make 1 hour long AI video with FFmpeg completely free. Next, we are defining some local paths, which we created in our D directory. These are those folders. These folders are pointing to our n8n data. Temp is where we are doing the processing. Assets is where we are keeping our input files and videos. And the gallery is where we're gonna save our final output. So copy this from the services to till output. Then go to the Sublime and create a new file and paste it here. Click on save. And make sure your file name is exactly this, docker-compose.yml. Copy this and paste it here and press save.
Once you're done with this, let's go to step 6,
which is install Docker. Open the .exe file, double click on the installer.exe. This installer will add a shortcut to your desktop. Click OK and then it will start installing the Docker desktop. Once the Docker is installed, close this. Please restart your Windows machine.
Step 7. Run this command.
First, we have to start Docker desktop. So for starting the Docker, click on Windows and then type Docker desktop and then click Docker desktop app. First time you open the Docker desktop, it will ask you for a service agreement. Click accept. It will also ask you for your email address. You can skip this. Then it's gonna start your Docker desktop. Once you started Docker desktop, you see the container and images are empty right now. So you have to run this command. Copy this command and go to PowerShell again and then paste it here and then press enter. It will download all the necessary tools we need for installing latest n8n with FFmpeg. Once it's done, you will see these messages. Let's go to the Docker desktop, and then now in the container you will see the Docker is installed with the latest n8n with FFmpeg.
Let's go to the next step.
Open n8n in browser using this URL. So when you go to this link first time, you will receive this message. You have to create an account and then you can click next. Now we are in the final step. We have to do some checks inside n8n to confirm that everything is installed correctly or not. Click start from scratch, click on the plus button and type execute command and then press enter. You can type FFmpeg version here and then you can click on execute step. Then you will see the latest FFmpeg installed on the machine. If you see 8.1, that's the correct version we are looking for.
8.01.
8.01. Alright guys, that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching till the end.
Please like and subscribe. And if you want the step-by-step sheet, head over to our Skool. It's in the link below. And you can find some really cool projects there too. Thank you for watching our video and see you next time.